you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Do you want to see my happy post? I've got some happy post. Oh wait, no, that's feet. I am very, very excited today because happy post came in the post and I've been waiting for these items for a couple of weeks since I ordered them. They are new bag straps from Dress Up Your Purse. I'm also quite excited because it looks like Melody, without telling me, has put in a little extra for me, which is lovely. She is really, really, really lovely. So let's get in and I'll show you what I bought these items for specifically. I had specific things in mind for these, and I know I've been saying that I'm going to do a Dress Up Your Purse collection video, which I haven't got round to, so maybe I'll be able to show you everything I have from Dress Up Your Purse in this video. Maybe I won't and I'll have to do it in another video, but I keep buying things from her, so I'm always thinking I'll wait for the next bit to come in and then I'll do my collection video, but then it just never gets done. So we'll see what happens. Let's get into this packet. I have already opened it and I've already had a peek, which is why I know there's something in here that shouldn't be in here. Yes, we've got the lovely Dress Up Your Purse satin style pouch, and Melody has started including this thank you for your order. If you make a purchase, it's got 15% off code on there for your next order, thank you 15. But don't forget, you can always get 15% off your orders by using the coupon code Gwen and following the link down below. Everything that I show you will be linked down below, so you can go and have a look for yourself, because I keep banging on about Dress Up Your Purse because I love the products, and Melody does not sponsor me. She has given me a few freebies, but she hasn't asked me to talk to you guys about it. So the first item is quite a big chunky. Hello. Where are my scissors? Hello, pearls. This is the 20mm pearl strap, and in between each pearl you've got these tiny little links with tiny little diamantes in it, which are absolutely fabulous. I've got a little bit of pearl jewellery, but I'm getting more into sort of pearls on the outside, if that makes any sense. So I've got a very specific purpose for this. It's not hugely flexible. Oh, I love it. And it's got nice sort of lobster style clasps. The second item is this red and black, it's got little flashes of black in it, marbled acrylic chain with the O-rings on it in silver hardware. And I have a very specific purpose for this as well, which I'll show you un momento, por favor. And because I keep a close eye on Melody's Instagram page, and I first saw this one, I was like, oh my god, yes, this is the lumpy. This is the chunky chain I have been waiting for. This is the bicolour black or rhodium, I believe it could be, and gold hardware chain. And this comes in two sizes. This is the shorter size, and again we've got lobster clips on it. Just look at the flat. Can you see in that bit there? Just look at that sort of flat finish on the link. Absolutely love it. So those are the three items I ordered because I really am all about the chunky chains. And this was also in the packet. It is one of Melody's Cles. Oh, that feels soft. This smells good too. Oh, lovely. So this is a black clay with gold hardware. And I can feel on the inside we have a lobster claw clip on there as well. And I have got my clay, because it sits on my desk, with my card holder of the day, so I can put it in whatever bag it is I'm going to take out when I go out. It's a little bit lumpy because the car key's in there. take that out. I've still got my house key in there, but it's not so chunky. So that's my Louis Vuitton Cles. And that's Melody's key pouch. This is actually the first of the key pouches that I've got from Melody. I've got lots of her envelope, mini Kirigami-esque envelope pouches with a key ring on it, but this is the first clay I've received from her or bought from her. So like the Louis Vuitton Cles, it doesn't have an actual lining, it's just the other side of the leather, which is just this kind of scuffed suede-y kind of feeling to it. Wonderful. Thank you so much again, Melody. I am going to enjoy playing with this, and hello, classic black goes with everything. Right, I'm going to show you the bags that I have chosen these chains for specifically in a moment, but if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. If you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then why don't you consider hitting the subscribe button and ringing my bell so you'll be notified of my new videos every Monday and Thursday, sometimes with a bit of extras on a Saturday. And don't forget to forgive the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, let's get into the bags. I do really enjoy dressing up my purse with dress up your purse pieces. You can see I've got one of my other acrylic chains, and this is one of the iridescent clear ones, and I've got Dream pouch on there. So this bag specifically, this is my Alexander McQueen satchel. It comes with a detachable crossbody strop. That's what I have when I'm not allowed to buy something, a strop. And I've just used this D-ring here, which I believe is to be used for popping your sunglasses on if you need to take them off, and clipped my chain from the D-ring to the zip. So you can see currently I've got those on there, so let me switch this out. I love it. Look! Oh, it's just a perfect match. Perfect match for this beautiful black soft calfskin leather with the beautiful little McQueen signature skull on the zip pull there. Oh yes, that is a hit. I wonder what else this chain would look cool on. I also need to show you, because when I was putting it on my bag, I noticed this. The lobster clip has got a full swivel. Bag number 2 I put it on. My little Pochette Accessoires. How cute is that? It's not too long. It would just about hit a table if you were going to put it on a table, but to carry like that I think is quite cute, or as the a little grab strap. Okay, so I didn't get it to go specifically on this bag, and it does look a little bit awkward because of where the D-rings are on the bag, but my Aspinal Zoloto gold Soho clutch, look at it on there. I think this is quite a simple classic style, and I think this zhuzhes it up a little. Not that it needs zhuzhing up, it's a gold bag, but it gives it a little bit, toughens it up, I say. So we've got a D-ring on the front here, but the other D-ring is on the back there for the crossbody chain that comes with it. So for a short grab strap, it's actually a little bit awkward. It's okay when you pick it up, but when it sits down a little bit, especially because you've got the zip here, oh, it still looks good though. And the last bag I envision this chunky chain going on is my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe, which currently has my leather grab strap, which I bought from Dress Up Your Purse recently, and it's also got the Dress Up Your Purse and a Heated Mess collaboration tassel, which is really long and is a great length for the NeoNoe because it just sits there. And I've got the solid metal flat curb chain on here as well for a little bit of extra decoration. It's too short to go from D-ring all the way around the front to D-ring. Could potentially use it as a grab strap, so I would probably do it the same way as I had the other one. What do you think? Now, as I said, I bought this one specifically to go on the Mcqueen. It's definitely my favourite. So the bag that I had in mind for this pearl one, and we're about to find out if it's going to work because the last one was a little bit on it, is my Aspinal Zoloto Soho clutch. Good to note, these ones do not swivel all the way around, so just bear that in mind. What do you think? Oh, I think it's so cute. It does actually work out better than the black and gold chunky chain, and I think it's because this is a little bit longer than the black and gold chunky chain. Oh, I love it. I'm really getting into pearls as that kind of pearly accessory. First post-lockdown dinner out in a restaurant, I shall be rocking my Sam Edelman pearl and gold chunky heeled heels, and my Aspinal with the pearl grab strap from Dress Up Your Purse. These are perfect together. They're absolutely perfect together. And the last strap is the red and black marble strap. And the bag I bought this strap specifically for is my Prada pouch. And there are a couple of reasons why I went for this specifically. First off is the silver hardware. Second off is my plaque on the Prada pouch. I actually went for the red one instead of the black one, and these O-rings are small enough that they should go through the eyelets really, really easily. So I'm just going to take off my little Dress Up Your Purse tassel. I'm going to just pop these through here. Now these don't have the sort of swivel all the way around. Okay, it's on, it's even. That's really, really nice because it wasn't even before when I put that O-ring through two of the eyelets. I was actually using the D-ring that comes on this pouch because it comes with a wrist strap in the Saffiano leather. Let's open this up so you can see. Oh, how cute is that? I don't always want to use a full crossbody on it. I like to grab this and just go. And I think that red and black marbling goes so nicely with the red Prada logo on there. Oh, I am delighted. I'm delighted with how all of them have turned out, actually. I am absolutely delighted with all three of these. They've come out brilliantly. Like I said, I'll put all the details down below. Pricing, I can't quite remember how much I paid for each of these because all of the prices are in dollars on the website, and although I had switched it over to GBP, when it came to actually paying and applying the discount, because yes, I do use my own discount code, why not? So I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but after using the discount code for all three of these chains and then taking the discount off and then converting from dollars to pounds, I paid £52, 3 pence for these three gorgeous, gorgeous chains. And they don't feel flimsy at all. The metal one is not super heavy, but heavy enough to give you confidence. This isn't flimsy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. It feels absolutely fantastic. And okay, this is acrylic, which means it's going to be lightweight, but again, it's not going to be an issue carrying it. These acrylic chains come with gold or silver, so you can choose which one you prefer. Okay, I didn't want this video to be too long because I have done some quite long videos for you recently, and I've got my mid-month vlog coming up, which is going to be not 5 minutes long, shall we say. So I am not going to do my full Dress Up Your Purse collection. I think what I need to do is actually collect everything together, spread it out on my bed, film it, and then I can talk you through the various pieces. I have bought a lot from Dress Up Your Purse because I love what she's doing, and Melody's always bringing out some really, really cool new things, so I can expect to be buying more stuff in the future. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it the thumbs up love. It all helps with the algorithmy witchcraft from YouTube's. And I will see you, yes you, boop, for the next video. And in the meantime, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, rock a little bit of leopard print now and then, stay fan-dabby dozy, and bye-bye!